This is my friend Bill Perana, and he's going to tell about his garden.
Yes,
Sure.
we started out on April 1st, Dawn and I. Dawn gave me instructions on putting down these boxes, which I got from work. I planted, everything is taken off. We've had a tremendous amount of rain in the last week, probably anywhere from 5 to 8 inches. But I've drained real well. Last year at this time, this garden was flat, and the 4th of July with 5 inches, my garden was over. But I see no signs of any type of fungus due to the fact that raised bed gardening is a real plus. And this is probably the best garden I've ever had, if not the best. Very thankful.
Looks great. Looks great. Yep. So you have no fungus on the squash.
No
Tomatoes
fungus on
looks
the squash,
good.
Tomatoes, everything is doing great.
Okay, and these are the beans right here.
Beans, yes, like I said, it's very evident to see that there is no fungus anywhere on any of these plants.
Yep. What about your, and then you mulched in between.
I mulched in between. I put down drywall, and I just put this down with the amount of water that's in the ground. This will begin to compost very quickly. The amount of water in the air and in the ground, it'll turn this right around very, very quickly. But everything in this garden is organic. I'm starting with all seeds, and next year I'll propagate my own. I'll start early. January, February, I'll have everything growing, and I'm going to start venturing out. Even though my wife might not like it, I'll be raised bed gardening probably the whole back of this yard.
And it is June, what, 14th, isn't it?
It is June 14th. And I'll have tomatoes by the end of the month.
Wow.
I'll have zucchini by the end of probably next week.
Yep.
It just
Looks great.
Oh, this is super.
Well, thank you, Bill, and I'm glad we could kind of do a little follow-up on
Yeah, me too.
how things are going. Maybe we can see how harvest goes, huh?
Yes.
Thank you.
Oh, you bet. Look at these. Look at these